In this video, we're going to be going over the join average tool. And that's going to be found in this little vertex menu right here. So its little button is right here. It doesn't get a cool button like these ones. It's just text, but it says join average. It's right here. I have a custom hotkey for it. Again, later video, I'll show you guys how to make custom hotkeys. My custom hotkey is J, which normally is for locking geometry. But let's go ahead and plunk down a shape. Jump back to this vertex menu, and you'll see that it's grayed out. So this tool, you can't even click on it unless I have at least 2 vertices selected. So again, when I say 2 vertices, I mean technically either 2 vertices or an edge kind of has 2 vertices in it, or a polygon, at least a quad, has 4 vertices in it. So let's just grab 2, hit join average, and see what happens. So as you'd probably expect, it joins the 2 together. There was one here and one here. It finds the midpoint right here, and it joins those 2 together. So now if I middle mouse click and grab this, it says 1 vertex. So let's do it again. Got 2 vertices selected, hit join average right here, and it pulls them together. I can grab 4 vertices, join average. Again, this is kind of pinching my mesh a little bit. You can see this how it's zippering up. Or I can just grab a single edge and hit join average, or I can grab a polygon, join average, quad, join average. You see it just kind of brings things together. So this is a really quick way. If you have kind of a little bit too much geometry and you need to join stuff together, it's a good way to do it. It's also good for closing up holes. So again, if I have a hole right here, hit delete, I can lasso select all these guys, hit join average, and it just kind of puckers in that hole, closes it up, and now there's no longer a hole there. Other thing we could do, I mean, technically we could bridge that together. We already went over the bridge tool. Set that to 2, and that would be a way of closing that hole a little bit cleaner, I guess you'd say. But the other thing you can do with the join average is if you have kind of something like this where you have 2 edges, you really don't need both of them, but you'd like them to be in the middle, I can just come down here and I'm just hitting that hotkey that I have set up. But realistically, you could just press this button every time, and this you can comparatively see the use for hotkeys. And again, that thing's gone the entire way. The other thing would be I can grab everything up top, join those together, and now I have, instead of a single polygon on top, I have a bunch of triangles with a point in the middle that's joined together. Again, sometimes these little points in the middle are desirable. Sometimes they kind of work in your favor. Sometimes they don't. It just depends on what you want. Say I didn't want these, I could just select all these edges, hit backspace, and it removes them, and now it's flat again. So again, join average tool, extremely simple, but also powerful and something good to kind of have in your back pocket.